Hello and welcome to another video from the Inspiration College. Now, as usual, if you are new to this channel, then I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and also to leave a comment and to give the video a thumbs up if you like the content. And for those of you who have been visiting regularly, I just ask that you will do the same if you haven't subscribed yet, that you will hit that subscribe button and you will also share the video, comment, and give the video a like. Now guys, what I'm going to do in this video, as you can see on the screen, 3 UK dropship suppliers. Now I've discovered these 3 dropship suppliers and they're all in the UK. So if you have wanted to start your eBay shop and you can't find a supplier to start out with, then these 3 suppliers are perfect for you. And of course I've given you like 2 or 3 dropship suppliers already, so now you would have around 5 to work with. You can work with all of them, you can try them out. Now the first one is AW Dropship UK, and then the second one is Cosway, and then the third one is Vida XL UK, and we are going to go through all 3 of them. Now I've signed up to AW Dropship and they responded to me and accept me in the program. Normally when you sign up to them, it will take like 2 hours for them to respond to you, because they have to check to see if you're a genuine eBay seller or you just signing up to get like a discounted rate buying products and you're not really drop shipping the product. But I'm going to show you like the email that they sent to me and the reason why I'm saying this. And then Cosway is easy, and all of these 3 you don't have to pay any money to join. It's free to join, create a free account, and then you can start. And Vida XL, you also have to, I'm still waiting on them to accept or reject my application, so hopefully they will accept it. But Cosway and AW Dropship, yeah, I'm okay with those, and I've listed a product from Cosway already, which I'm going to show you on eBay. So stay tuned and then just let us go through all 3 and show you what they are like. Now guys, welcome back. Now we are on the AW Dropship website, and AW is actually Ancient Wisdom. That's what AW means. And as you can see, the first thing you want to look at where you can register. So here you can register for a free account. I'm not going to do that. You should be able to do that. I'm registered with them, and I'm going to show you the email that they sent me after registration. So you can do that and you're going to get that same email. So let us just quickly look at the email that they sent before we even go further with this. So guys, as you can see, this is the first email that AW Dropship sent me after signing up. And obviously you can see here, thank you for registering with us. And then if you look at the time, 14:40, so that's when the email came. And then they sent another email, and obviously this one is saying that they're going to check the application. This is necessary. This is a necessary step to avoid the general public, that is your customers, abusing this system to accept one-off orders for themselves. And so they sent another one, and that was like 15:50. So that's like an hour and 10 minutes later. And as you can see on the top here, congratulations, your registration was approved. So I'm now able to set up my account and start doing drop shipping. So that's the email they sent me. So when you sign up, most likely you're going to get an email like this. So let us just continue with the video. Yeah, so as you can see here on this site, you have a whole lot of stuff here. As you can see, these images here, then you can tell why it's called Ancient, this word here, Ancient Wisdom. I'm not really a fan of some of these images really, but then hey, it depends on what you like, what you don't like. But you have different products here. You have aroma department, you have the artisan tea, bathroom heaven, candles and candle holders, eco and fashion bags. You have a whole lot of stuff here guys. Home fragrance, you have incense and incense burners, jewelry, quartz, packaging department. So you have a whole lot of stuff you can read up on this. And if I scroll down, I like to look at why this site is a dropshipping site, because I want to make sure that it's a dropshipping site. And as you can see down here, why dropship? AW dropshipping service gives you the opportunity to sell all products on your own website or internet shop. And talking about like eBay, Etsy, Amazon, those platforms. And as you can see here, no subscription fees, very low minimum order and low delivery charges. And you know, this company is actually in the UK, manufacturing in the UK. Ancient Wisdom is established giftware wholesaler based in Sheffield since 1995, a manufacturer of bathroom, aromatherapy and home fragrance products. So you can see all the products here. So some nice products, and the prices, you obviously you have to create your account and log in to see the prices. But the prices are they are good prices. It's not like some low £2 item where you're not going to really make much money from it. Really reasonable price, you can make profit from. And then normally I would scroll down all the way to the footer of the website, and again you can see dropshipping advice and tips, and you can see the different you have dropshipping user guide and so on. And obviously you have the registration number in the UK, so you know it's a VAT number, you know it's a genuine business. So this is the first dropship site which I'm introducing you to, and of course I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So if you're just starting out, or you just want another supplier to source products from for your eBay shop, then this is a good one. I just discovered this one today and I signed up, and as you can see I got accepted, so I'm just going to list products on it you know, as time goes by. So let us look at the other drop shipping supplier. So guys, this is the next dropship supplier site, Costway, and as you can see they have a whole lot of stuff. Categories are furniture, we have home and garden, toy and games, sporting goods, baby and toddler, animal, pet, health and beauty, office supplies, business, industrial, art and entertainment. So this site has a lot of stuff here. Again, you can create your account here by registering here, and you see the different countries that they operate in: USA, Germany, Italy, Canada, France, Spain, Poland, Australia. So you can create a free account here, and you know, they have a lot of nice products here. So you can see these products are quite reasonable priced. Well, they are, you would say they are, you know, reasonable price, but then hopefully what they're going to offer you at, you'll be able to sell and make profit, which of course you should be able to do that, or we should be able to do that really. But you know, they have some good products here. They have the bestseller section, they even have SETI here, so you can you can just go through all of these. I'm going to leave the link again in the description of the video, so you can go through and see the different products that they have. But if you scroll down, I like to go to the footer and look for the word dropshipping, because once I see that, then I'm comfortable that this is a dropshipping site. So as you can see here, dropship program, and they also even have the affiliate program. You could sign up for even both of them, but we are interested in dropshipping. So here it is, you can read up on this information, and again, as you can see the address here, they are in Unit 4, Blackacre Road, Great Beckenham, that's UK, Ipswich. And you can see the different payments. They take PayPal, which is good, and of course you can use your debit, or I think you can use what you call it, credit card and so on. Yeah, so this is another site. This is the second site that you can dropship from, and with this one, list a product on eBay, which I'm going to actually show you what the product is. So this is a product I list on eBay from that store, so from that supplier. So this is a product here, as you can see here, new listing, and I'm selling it for $123.45. Of course, you have to use the eBay fee calculator to work out your selling price really. The thing is that they have a sale on this product. They listed like £91 something, and then they are having a discounted price of 24, I think 20%. went down to like 70 something pounds. But the reason why I kept the original price, because I don't want them to, maybe that discounted price is only going to be run for a short while, and I don't want to calculate my selling price at that low price and then they bring the price back up to its original. So I just use the original price. And even though other people on eBay selling it for less than this, 60 something pounds, I have to place mine at 123.45. Hopefully, I'll make a sale. And summer is coming up, so it's good to start listing products like these. As you can see, charcoal grill with double-sided grill net, cast iron, and in color black. So I've listed this product just a couple of hours ago, and as you can see the listing here, and I did show you how you can customize your description so that it looks nice, just like this. Yeah, so that's the product I listed from that site, Costway. So again, you can check this site out, and you have a whole lot of products, in different categories you can list from this supplier. So in the next section, we'll just go to the final supplier in the UK that you can start dropshipping from. So let us do that. So guys, this is the final dropship supplier site, vida.xl.co.uk, and again you can create your free account here, and as you can see here, they're into furniture, hardware, you have animal and pets, again vehicle parts, baby and toddler, and other stuff, dolls, toys and games, they have sporting and goods, home garden. So again, this is the site. I'm actually waiting on them to respond whether I'll be accepted in their dropship program or not. So I'm still waiting. So this is their site, and it's still not looking bad. It looks like they have some nice items here. And again, I like to look for the word dropshipping, in the footer here. And as you can see, dropshipment, business affiliate program, dropshipment, and you can see they accept PayPal also, which is again good. So that's really what this site is all about. Again, I'll leave the link in the description of the video, so you can check this site out. So now guys, if you're just starting out, you have 3 dropship supplier, and if you're in the UK, obviously they operate in other countries also, but I'm just focusing on UK now. So if you're in the UK, you can start out with these 3, and remember you have like Banggood, another dropshipping supplier, and you also have Saley and Go Dropship. I did 2 videos on those 2, so you have like at least 5 dropshipping suppliers that you can start out with, and you can use to start dropshipping your items. So I hope this video will help you to get started. So thanks again for watching guys, and hope you will like, share and subscribe to the channel, and then very soon I'll do another video just to tell you what is happening. So thanks again for watching, and catch you in another video.